Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server, and we'll be installing it to Windows Server 2019. This is part 2 of our new video series, and if you want to see the first part, click right here. Before we jump into the video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft SQL Server, remote desktop licenses, Windows Server, Office, Windows 11, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, guys, so we are here on Windows Server 2019. This is the operating system that I will be installing SQL Server to. I'm currently downloading my image file, which is something we will need. We will provide you with this image file download link if you purchase the software from us, or if you purchase from Microsoft or another third-party vendor, you will be directed in terms of where to get the file from them as well. All right, so here is my image file, SQL Server 2019. I will double-click this, and I'll run the setup application. And now we are at the SQL Server Installation Center. Click to the installation on the left, and we're going to click the top option here, which is New SQL Server Standalone Installation. Instead of the free edition, I will be entering the product key, and we're going to blur this on the screen. With the product key entered, I'll hit Next. I will accept the license and hit Next. And we're just going to go through the remainder of the setup wizard. I'll click Next here, and we'll click Next again. From this point, I will select some of the instance features that I know I want. I'll go ahead and hit Next. I'll leave this as default as well, and I'll hit Next. We'll hit Next here. I'll check this box and hit Next again. Here, on this page, I will click Add. We're going to type Administrator, and I'll hit Check Names. In the Names pop-up menu here, I'm going to type Administrator, as that's the only account we have right now. I'll hit Check Names, and it should pull up our server name with the administrator, so I'll hit OK. OK, and on the next page, I will Accept. And we have a few more pages like this before the install will be complete. I'll hit Next again, and here I will hit Accept. All right, and at this point, we are ready to install. So I'll click Install, and we're going to let this load. We'll see you guys when it's done. All right, and the install is complete. So we can go ahead and close this down.
Want to try out SQL Server?
We're going to be using Azure Data Studio in order to connect to an instance. So on this website here, which we'll provide a link for in the description, I'm going to click the link here to the user installer. Now, while the system installer will make it available for everyone, I'm just installing this on my local computer here. So I'll go with the user installer under the Windows page. I'll click the x64 link. All right, once that's done, I'll double click to run the exe. I'll hit OK, and we'll just click Next through the wizard. Here, I will click Install, and I'll click Finish. It's going to automatically open Azure Data Studio. I'll click Connections here, and I can click New Connection. We're going to make sure this is set to Microsoft SQL Server, and while I could enter the actual server name here, we could also just do dot, which is the local, and that's going to connect us to the local host. So I'll hit Connect. I will enable the Trust Server Certificate, and here we can see our newly installed SQL Server, again installed to Windows Server 2019. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any parts of that process, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas you may have. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.